Hello travelers alive! Are you planning a trip to Hawaii? Well, visiting Hawaii is an exciting adventure, but it does require a bit of thought and preparation. That's where I come in as your travel advisor to help you navigate the ins and outs of planning the perfect Hawaiian getaway. In this video, I will share some essential tips to keep in mind as you plan and prepare for your trip to paradise. Let's dive in. One of the first decisions you will need to make is whether to stay in one island or hop between several islands. Each option has its own set of benefits. Staying in one island is easier to plan and can be less hectic. You will have the opportunity to fully immerse